So assuming that your keyboard is not typing, is not working correctly, in this video, I'm going to be going through the most common reasons a keyboard stops typing and fix each one step by step. So the first thing you want to do is to check for some accidental lock keys. So you want to look for a lock key often like F11 or a key with a small keyboard icon. If you don't know which is the one that you are currently having into your computer, you go for the lock key and you want to focus into the keyboard that you are currently using. So you want to make sure that you haven't accidentally disabled the actual input. Usually it comes as the Alt, Control, and K, but that's totally depending to the computer you're currently using. If you wanted to figure out which one is the one for your computer, you want to look out that into the smartphone and then look out into your computer. Now, the next thing to do is to turn off the filter keys and the sticky keys. So if you are into your computer, you can go into the settings. And inside the settings, you can go for accessibility, and then you want to try out the one that says keyboard inside here. Make sure the sticky keys and toggle keys and the filter keys, all of them are turned off. This is going to be really, really important before we continue. Then the next thing we can do is to check for some physical debris. So crumbs or dust under a key can prevent it from registering and press properly. So you want to use a compress to clear it out from between the actual keys. You can purchase this compressed tins that you can find almost everywhere, and it's gonna be looking like this. So you want to be using this for cleaning your actual computer, which is going to be really, really, really great and affordable to try that out. Something else that we can do is to update or reinstall the actual driver. To find out the right driver, you want to go once again into the main window. You want to go here into the right section which says start. I go for right click, and directly into right click, I'm going to go for my device manager. Here I wanted to expand the keywords and right click to the actual keyword that you currently have. Here you wanted to go for the element that says update the driver and search automatically for drivers. If that doesn't help, you wanted to uninstall the device instead and then restart your PC. Automatically your computer will be understanding that there's no driver for your keyboard, and it will be automatically installing the actual keyboard for your specific computer. Then something else that you can do is to, if you have the option to test this with an external keyboard, you need to plug this in a USB keyboard if you have one and see if this types normally. If it does, that means that the problem is directly with the keyboard inside and it's not about the actual keyboard itself. And the last solution that I can give you is to run a clean boot. If an external keyboard has the same problem, you want to go for search the MS configuration, which is MS configuration like this. And here you want to open the system configuration and go for the element that says services and check the hide all the Microsoft services and click disable all. And then what you can do is to go for apply and go for OK, and that should do the actual trick. So that's it. Your keyboard should be typing normally again. If this fixed it for you, let me know which step worked and subscribe for more quick tech fixes, and we can be checking out the element directly inside here. Well, it'll be really important that usually, for example, you can try out a little bit more about the keyboard properties into the hardware section properties and make sure that this one actually appears and works out correctly. So hopefully it was a very useful information for you guys. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.